Hello, Draylon. I'm starting to stream today. This is my first stream. So tell me, what's your story or something you'd like to say to me? Okay. Well, let's see how it goes today. I'm here on the ES Futures. Okay. You're from Texas. Oh, nice. Okay, so I don't know what you're looking at. Like like you want to learn something like that. Okay, that's why I'm getting. Well, yes. Okay, let's see. We are here on the ES Futures. I'm using the TradeAway platform. Yeah, let's do something. Well, now I'm going to the micro futures. Okay, so these ones are the same as the ES, but it's just that the risk is a tenth of a full contract, and also the losses and the wins. Okay, well, what I like to set up here is two different charts, like two different time frames. Usually a little bigger time frame and also a longer one. Here I have a 2,000 ticks. Here I have a 5,000 ticks. What that means is like this one is like having um, every 500 ticks, it creates a new candle. And this one every 2,000 ticks. A tick is when the price changes one time. So it has 2,000 changes in price here. Okay, so 2,000 buys or sells. Then I also like to have the VWAP, so as to have a like knowledge about the where's the day going and all that. Well, I also here have some like lower highs or lower lows and all that. It's just to um, like visually see it for me. It's not any indicator. This one. It's just like if this one was the high, the it marks the it here, and I believe it's here price channel. Yeah, 14 candles to the back, and seeing where is the price. Okay, it's just visually for me. It's not an indicator or some thought. And then the like an EMA, a simple EMA, to have like kind of an idea of like the velocity of the movement or something like that. Okay. And here on the bottom, I have the cumulative delta. It's the like the open interest of the session. If if how many people are pressing the buy market button. Okay, um, and well, here I have the volume profile of the session, and here is the DOM, so like the real time uh, open orders, and here recent orders. I have it filtered to 30, so I see the big orders. I like to see it because as you can see here, in this like the past half a minute, there were lots of big um, buy orders. Okay, so in this time, and now I want to see, for example, if they are selling these orders in the retracement, and we see they are not selling. Okay, so that may indicate there could be a bounce right here, because if they do not sell, perhaps it could sustain the price and try to go higher. Okay, are you following me here? Okay, if anyone wants to make a question through a chat, you are more than welcome to do it. Okay, perfect, Draylon. Well, so you can see the price is trying to reject the middle. Here there come the sell orders that I told you about. So I perhaps may not be interested in going long over here and waiting to pull back to the bottom. Okay. Well, since today is the first time I'm doing this, probably I will enter some trades in an education manner and only in the micros. Okay, to be open about it. I'm not going to risk a whole lot. Perhaps I'm going to risk, I don't know, $10 or 20 or something like that, just for educative reasons. Okay. Well, here we can see that price is trying to go lower. Um, Lots of cells going through. The delta is going down, so we can see it's going to the same level as here, but the delta is going even lower. Okay, so we would probably wait, for example, for a pullback here and try to go down. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to attempt it. We can see, for example, we can do a stop limit here. Okay, risk here $10 and go, for example, for, I don't know, 15, something like that, 15, 20. Well, price is going down right now, but for example, trying to enter here in a pullback and going to the downside. Okay, we are seeing that price is trying to go lower. Kind of a bit of not decisive here, as you can see. So you have to be careful, right? But price is trying to go lower. Pullbacks are a little bit less, okay? And there we go. We want to cancel the order. This was the mode that we were trying to capture, okay? Like this was what I was like talking you through. Trying to go, if you can see it really clearly here. Went down, as you can see the delta. Let's see, I'm going to, can I draw here? Yeah. Okay, so here you have the first low. Here you have another same point, and then you have the other one that's right out here, and you can see delta is lower. Okay, and now it's melting. This was a quite good trade if we could enter. I would probably like it around like this candle, or perhaps this another candle, like waiting for the green one and putting a stop order like here. But this was a quite clear trade. obviously there will be trades that are clear, and that doesn't mean you are going to win. Okay, you have to manage the risk accordingly. You have to be like I don't know how to say it, but um, you could like try to you could perhaps really know where the market's going, but do not know how to execute the trade. Okay, because perhaps here you say, well, I see the markets are going down, right? But perhaps I don't know. You go here. You put an order one tick below this one. Okay, so one tick below here, it will be like around here. You enter, and the price goes the other way around, and perhaps it stops you here. But that's what you try to manage, like perhaps getting on a pullback, so that if you get like like here, there's a little risk. Like okay, well, we can see now it's the market's making a pullback. Delta is not doing a pullback, like a little one. Okay, so perhaps now we can go and enter another short trade. Okay, let's see if the market gives us an opportunity to do so. Okay, here we can see some orders going through. I would like for the market to see another retrace, and then I will probably go on the low side. Okay. I'm not liking that it's going directly down. Well, there it goes. But this kind of a move is what I'm aiming for. Okay, we are scalpers. We are not going to enter the trade here and go it out here. Okay, if we just get to reap the benefits of a little movement, like a big movement, one or two candles, that's awesome for us. That's why what we aim for. Okay. Well, now it's going down, and I don't see really here an entry. It's not easy to enter a trade right here. Some people covers, and there goes lots of sells, lots of sells, lots of sells. Price is trying to go down and going down. Let's see if it melts here. I'm going to attempt here, perhaps. One stop. Let's see if it's okay. Let's see. I want to try to get it a little bit higher if I can. Okay. Well, and well, that's was the first trade. $10 down. As I told you, we are only going to do one micro, just for it's the first time I'm streaming here. Okay, but well, the idea was this, as you can see, is enter here and try to manage the risk accordingly. Okay. Well, let's see now if it's really a downtrend here, but let's see if perhaps here, yeah, now I like it. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, there we have it. That's what's the kind of moment I was trying to get. Okay, so here, as you can see, it was a good trade. Now we are break even because there was one that was not good. But well, this is a trade that I really like because it's for me it's like quite a good in terms of percentage of like making it. Okay, so like if you're making this trade like 60-70% of the time, you're going to be profitable. Okay, that's the idea. But well, that's about it. Um, this one was not good, but I still like this follow through. As you can see, it was with no delta. In fact, delta was quite down. So well, it was just like a pump because there were less orders or something like that. And we entered here on the retracement, and price melts exactly where it was. Okay, like this one here, it was the same. Like you can go here and you can try to enter trade here to go to the downside. That's why I like. That's my method. Obviously, there's another methods, and you can tell me, yeah, but listen, if you enter here where you said the first time and still hold the trade, you'd be in lots of profit, okay? Because if you go here, let's see, no, brackets. If you enter here with a limit order downside, here you have $10, like 20, 30, like you have like $80 right now, like 8 times more than what I make, okay? But the thing is that you don't know if the whole movement's gonna go through, okay? Perhaps it just goes a little bit under and then goes again into this range. That's why I like better to do these little trades, okay? Well, we're having another viewer. Hello to the new viewer. If you want to like present yourself or tell me a question you have or like why you're here, are you trading? You want to get into trading and you don't know how. I'm open for all questions here, so just shoot and I will try to help you. Well, here we can see delta is kind of pushing. Okay, so like here, yeah, like you can see, like here price was practically the same that now, and delta is also the same. So it was like a true push, you can say. So perhaps now we are wanting to go higher, but just not today, not right now. Okay, we need a little bit more to really know we are reversing. Here we can see there's no orders in the session volume. This will go right through. So if it goes like right here, it will probably go to here because it won't stop here probably because there's no much trades. So perhaps like going something like from here, buying and going to this is quite a good trade, I would say. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's see. Delta not pushing down. Okay. That's good. That's good for us. Not many cells, but let's see here. There, okay, yeah, quite a good amount of cells, and we want to see price go higher. Okay, we kind of see here. We want like kind of see okay, like this kind of move. Okay, and going higher, uh, and also like perhaps this kind of move, like going higher, not fully retracing and breaking. Okay, that kind of move, it's really good. And trying to enter here for a new high. But well, right now delta is going down, so but this is kind of the moves I like to enter right here or to enter right here. Okay. Okay, it's approaching lows. Delta's not really approaching lows, so it could be a good indication of a reversal, but perhaps it could break lower before reversing, like just right now. New low. Let's see if we melt or no. Not seeing too much sells right now, but let's see. It's okay. Let's see. Sorry, I'm taking it out. I'm not doing that on purpose, but I have another screen where I see the stream and all that, and I press the Alt tab, and well, the the image went out. Okay, sorry. Well, Delta is kind of pushing lower right now. It's not a good indication. Here we have it on the 80s. Let's see. Here we have quite a big block, and also here, lots of orders. Let's see if they act as a magnet. Okay. Well, for everyone that could join, um, I see now we have, well, now it's only one. I don't know if it's Draylo or someone else, but I would really appreciate a like. It's my first stream, and I would like to get motivated and, well, just like try to help me boost a little bit uh, for the first time. Well, we are not seeing here much, just a straight downtrend. Not much, not much to say. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here it was big red candle in the delta. Really, really astonishing, really. But no entries here. It's it's just kind of foolish to enter here because there's like no indication it's going down. Perhaps a good pullback and takes you out just as like this one. Okay, here buys, here buys, more buys. Let's see if it can hold this level or not. Well, not. uh, right now, I believe it's these two blocks will act as a magnet. So let's see, like the 75, 75, and 75 on the dots. Like this will probably act as a magnet. Okay, we are making some volume here, like looking perhaps for a pullback to here and then following down, or just straight going down. Let's see. I see perhaps going a little bit higher and then keep going down, but I can predict the future. So let's see. Going down, trying to keep, trying to keep it, trying to keep it. Let's see. I want to see. Okay, it's it's nice. Perhaps it could go to the downside. Yeah, it's going there, doing the pullback. It will go probably a little bit higher. Okay, let's see. Quite a bit of sales here. Delta push through, no match. Okay, nice pullback. Let's see if it goes like this one. I would say something like that, and then going down. But let's see. This is a move like I quite like. Okay, no. Okay, so no reversal. Let's see if Delta goes down. Yeah, Delta pushing down. Delta pushing down. Okay, we could try to attempt a new low and a pullback. We need to see a price going up and then joining with a stop. But price needs to go a little bit higher for us. Buys going through, Delta not pushing. Yeah, not pushing too much. Okay. Still having one viewer. I don't know if Draylin, it's you right there. But well, whoever it is, if you have any question regarding trading or whatever you want, uh, I could ask you I could answer the question you have. Yeah, you're there. Awesome. Man, you are really sticking up here. Like giving me the motivation to try to turn on the streaming. It's my first time here, so well, I'm going to try it out for next week or something like that, and then see if I like it, and if you like it more than anything. But well, we are half an hour into it. We have a peak of 3 viewers. Well, um, one loyal viewer, Draylen Matthews. Okay, so let's see here. Not much. Delta not pushing. This is melting. This is just a straight downturn. Ah, you're following me. Nice. You were a follower previously or just right now? Because I did record some videos, I believe last year or something like that. But well, it takes quite a bit of time for me to try to like edit and record and all that. So well, I said, yeah, let's try some streaming of what I do and see if it goes well. Okay, so you are going to subscribe. Nice. Well, thanks for the support. I hope it helps you. I will try to be here every market day, and perhaps some on the weekend if you start liking and I see there's traction. We could do a live stream, or perhaps like live stream while doing a Discord or something like that, and you ask me questions and I try to answer you. I'm I'm a part-time trader. I've been trading for almost 5 years, I would say. And the last three I've really taken it seriously. And well, that's cool. I'm with it. Okay, perfect. Well, here, let's see. Pullback, pullback, pullback. Are we trying to go down? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to attempt it. Shorter. Okay. 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 Let's see. No more pump. I want like more pump. Mm, I don't like it. Too much pump. Too much pump. But well, my entry was, I believe, here. So let's see. Mm, uh, I kind of like it, to be honest. But yeah, I kind of like it. I could perhaps enter here. Hmm, I'm quite indecisive. Okay, so let's see. Trying to go higher. Volume here. Here we have volume. Price trying to go higher. Some buys, some buys. New high. Okay. Not many buys. Some sells. Sells going through. More sells going through. It's just a well. I'm going to tell you. Like trading is for me. It's just kind of waiting for the right moment. If you are here 2 hours and you enter a trade for like 5 minutes, it's an awesome day. So the thing is for waiting for the like good opportunity. Okay, okay, yeah, lots of buys here. Big sells. You have some big sells. Here you have like the open. I believe this is the orders. Yeah, and this is the like the full account. Okay, so these are like people that are already shorting, and these are new people that are shorting or buying. Lots of shorts, lots of shorts. Let's see, Delta's going through really nice actually. So, well, let's see. Three viewers. Okay, let's see. What about you? Tell me about you. If there's some new viewers that are not shy and want to tell me what's your name or whatever you like. If you are already trading uh, or whatever, I'm open about it. Okay, so let's see. It was a really nice push. Let's see if it breaks the prior one or just a pullback, a big pullback, and it's continue to go down. Okay, we can see. Let's see if it's hold this level. We could, I don't know, we could attempt to go high, but I don't really like it. Okay, lots of buys, awesome movement. This was kind of what I was thinking about, but I wasn't going to enter that definitely. Okay, so let's see. But I quite like it on the going up. Let's attempt it. Hell, why not? Okay, I mean a little retracement. If it goes wrong, I don't really care much about it. Okay, okay, okay. But I'm quite liking it. Yeah, yeah, I'm quite liking it. I'm going to tap another one. Come on, let's go. Let me get in. Okay, so there. Mm, let's see. I'm not really feeling this move, to be honest. No, no. Okay. Well, these things happen. Okay. Just, well, as I told you, I'm doing. Um I perhaps try to force some trade here, but well, as I told you, we are on the micros here, so as not to risk too much. Okay. Only one micro. Yeah, I quite like this push, to be honest. Mm, yeah, actually, yeah, I would like to go in again. I would never go in more than one, perhaps two, if I'm doing it alone. But well, here on stream, perhaps we could try to enter another one. Okay. Yeah, this was the kind of move I was expecting from these two trades. But well, these things happen to a lot. Like you understand the direction of the market. You see and you feel it's going higher. It indeed goes, but you nevertheless you make some trades and lost them. Okay, that's really common actually. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to attempt another one and try to go like to the high side. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We're trying to go in right here. Okay, and let's try to attempt like to this point, something like that. Let's see if it gets me or just goes without me. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Some buys, some sells. Not much going on through. 79 to 75. Okay, so yeah, price trying to push up. Yeah, I'm going to get in. Yeah, definitely going to get in. Okay, I'm in. Stop loss there. And yeah, let's attempt a higher move. This is the probably the last trade of the day if it goes bad. But I could still stay here and talk to you or something. But well, I really like the move of Delta here. So if it's, I'm not seeing this as a pullback anymore. Okay, but well, it could obviously now go lower or something. But here, as you can see, uh, previous low high was broken. Okay, stopped. Well, 40 bucks down. Uh, Not a big deal, but well, you have to be. If this was a mini, it would be 400. So, and that's I commonly trade with one mini. Okay, but well, today I'm just doing a micro because I don't really know where the market's going. Delta going down. Delta going down. I don't like it for the longs here. But look, here I got the movement, right? Like the trend. But anyways, I lost. So what you try to have to learn about it is that yeah, perhaps I like I got the movement right, yeah, but it was not a great enter, as you can see. And you can could be telling me, yeah, why don't you enter like right about here? Yeah, I could, but I'm not like I'm trying to gamble. It's going to go up because like right now I feel it's perhaps going to go lower. But well, it could obviously. But it's right now it's really grinding a lot. Okay, but look, it is going up. So yeah, you could have entered here where I got stopped out, and and well, let's see. Yeah, that's really the day is all going down. So well, here you can see the pre-markets, and then market opens right about here and going straight down. Okay, now it makes the scalp. I was telling you. Okay, can't I use this strategy for stock options? Yeah, Draylon, you should. You could. You could. Yeah, I do not like too much options because of the fact that yeah, it gets you a lot of leverage, but also the futures. So I feel like the leverage that futures gives you is just about right. I think that yeah, options give you much more leverage or could give you much more leverage, but it's really more of a gamble if you really want to go to a like a risking $500 and making 5,000 or whatever, as you see in the Reddit subreddits and all that. It's like really much more of a gamble. Um, but well, the common strategies for options, yeah, you definitely could do it. Um, yeah, perhaps in the future, I could try it. I have tried some options trading, but well, I really prefer more futures, to be honest. That's all. Okay, I feel. Do you hear me well? I think that perhaps I could use microphone or something like that. But well, I'm just with the headphones. They are quite good headphones, but I feel like the microphone is not. Futures are expensive. Well, yeah and no. Like here, for example, we are trading micros, and margin requirements are $50 or 55, I believe that $50 for one contract. So all I had done today, you could have done it with just $50. And if you want to go for a mini, 500. Yeah, perhaps that's a lot for you, but you don't have to. If you have only $200 to spare, you don't need to have in mind to get 5,000. Okay, if you have 200 and in 1 week you make $100, that's an awesome return. Okay, you are not going to stick to that return for the rest of your life, but if you have $200 and next week or the other one you have 200, yeah, that's pretty awesome, I would say, right? So well, they are not quite expensive if you try to learn. Perhaps you could say, well, I'll set aside $50. I know where you are from. You tell me you're from Texas, so $50 in the USA it's not too much. So you could spare uh, 1 day's food of going out and just try it out. Okay, perhaps not 50 because you need margin plus some stop loss. Okay, but with 150 that would be like 1 weekend of going out and having some drinks and something like that. And well, uh, just spare that money, okay, and get a feel for the market and trade with one micro. You could lose money, but not too much. So you're not going to go broke for losing 40 bucks like I lost right now. Okay. Well, you can see here. I got the movement right. Okay. So like here, let's see, like here where I went, I did two trades, one good and one bad, but the moment I got it, both of them were short trades, and here all three of them were long trades. So that's the important thing to learn and to get to know the market and to not rush it. Okay. So well, let's see. Price pulling back again. As I told you, look, this zone here, not much volume. So be careful because we could potentially have a retracement to the VWAP. Okay. Okay. Well, I see markets kind of grinding up. I don't see much entry here. So you can use 500 to start futures. Yeah, definitely. 500 is more than enough. If you want to start like learning, you have to get a feel for the market. Okay. So you could trade with $200. As I told you, the micro mini futures contracts, okay, the micros, um, are only $50 of margin requirement, and perhaps you could leave another 50 for or 100 to the stop loss as a buffer, okay. But yeah, definitely for 500, for me it's perfect. Like you enter 500 and just trade one micro. That's all. One micro. Not Do not go overboard and try to get uh, eight micros or something like that. But one micro with $500, it's awesome. I would say yeah, definitely. You could try it. Do not go overboard. Perhaps you could also have a fixed stop loss for you on the day. Okay, so for example, I usually have a stop loss. For me, it's like I used to make these trades. Okay, I go with one mini contract, so 10 micros, and I aim for this. Look here, when I enter a trade, it's already for me like the brackets is minus $10 plus $10. Okay, so I usually do the same with a mini, so it's minus 100 plus 100, and look, it's really small movements. Okay, so you don't need lots of money. So as you can see here on this uptrend, you could have done one or two entries, and on this going up with one micro, you could get $20. So risking 50, and you could like not risking it, but using as margin only 50, and then you could make $20 out of the 50 margin. That's an awesome return on investment. Okay, 20 on the money is awesome. Yeah, let's see. I tried forex with 200, and the leverage room was small. I was only making a few cents at a time. Okay, yeah, no, here it's not cents. As you can see, yeah, here, look, it's one micro. This is one micro. Let's suppose you enter right here. Okay, well, let's go a little bit lower. You enter here. Okay, yeah, there you have $10. So I will going to write it rectangle. Okay, so here, there are $10 on one micro. So you can see That's $10. So you can see that this height is $10 wherever side it goes. So it's not cents. Okay, here it's uh, significant. Obviously, this is one mini. It's $100. So you have to manage the risk. You can't enter a mini with 500 because you will have the margin, but you can see that this, if you lose this, it's $100. So just stick to one micro, okay? And this is $10. Well, you this $10, you could risk $10, make $10, whatever. So you can see here is, for example, try to enter here on a retrace and go to the upside, and you say, well, I'm going to enter here, and you have $10 of room. You want to make it 15, you could make it 15. But yeah, that's quite about it. It's not cents here. Just have in mind it's each movement, okay? Each movement is, I believe, $1.25. Yeah. So each tick here you can see is $1.25. Let's. I'm going to make some zoom there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So here we have $1.25. So each square here it's $2.50 with one micro, and each tick that is tick is like going from 3,688 to the same .25. Okay, so this is one tick. So here you have like $1.25, $1.25, $1.25, and this is 250. So as you can see, these are $10 moves for in one micro. Okay. Okay, perhaps I could enter one last trade going up. Do you want to attempt it? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. I don't like it going down. Let's see. Here we could have some continuation to the downside. For me, it's like it's going to go back into this kind of cluster of blocks. But let's see. More cells going through. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so Draylon, you told me you trade Forex. And how did that go? Good, bad? You didn't make much out of it and you just quit it because of it was only cents and you got discouraged? but I couldn't make dollars at the time. Okay, okay, that's good. Okay, I'm going to enter a a short. Okay, probably. Let's see. I need a pullback. I'm going to enter with a pullback. No matter how high the price raised, I wasn't making even a dollar per trade. Okay, okay, yeah. Uh, well, the thing with forex is forex are really little movements. So if you are not leveraged enough, you are not going to make anything because if just you buy $1, for example, you buy euro dollar. Okay, so if you are leveraged like 1 to 1, you are going to if dollar goes from $1, sorry, if euro goes from $1 to $1.01, you are going to make only 1 cent. The things with forex is that if it's leveraged enough, like I don't know, 500 to 1 or something like that, if you enter with a small amount of money, you could make a lot. Okay, but yeah, I don't really like forex. I also done it in the past, but the thing with forex is that for me it's much more like the movements are much less real. Okay, for me, like yeah, as you can see, for example, in the Euro USD or um, right now or the Pound USD, they are really going down because of the strength of the dollar. Okay, and that is like an intrinsic real movement. But on the small time frames, if you go to the 5 minutes time frames, and the movements are like really not real. Okay, they are not there. That's why uh, it could be much more manipulated than a real market. Okay, that a market that's really going up or down 1 to 3% on a day. Well, like the forex markets don't go up and down 3% on a day. Yeah, they could definitely do it, but it's not happening. Right? Well, this is a really grindy day, I would say. As you can see, it's like going down, but with lots of up and down, and now it's going down with the same. It's not like a good movement. Okay, get me? But well, like what's important for me is for then to zoom out and see really the movements of the markets. Okay, so let's see. I'm quite liking the short side here. I'm going down, but well, let's see. Yeah, fuck it. Let's. Sorry for the words. Yeah, let's enter a short trade if we can. Okay, let's see. Well, no, I would like to enter it here. Okay, what I kind of like here is like going down at this point, something like that, pushing and getting on the downside. But well, perhaps it doesn't give me the entry. But you don't have to rush it, okay? Like this trade I make was a rushing. I got in and the price was quite high, and on the retracement it got me. But as you can see, the movement I got it right, okay? So that's important thing for me is not to risk too much and well, just going with the flow, okay? So like if you if you didn't risk too much, well, that's just an $18 loss, okay? Um, but if you go here and you follow the trend, it's much more than that. So if you keep the stops tight, you're not going to see a big drawdown. But for example, if you get inside here and you have the stop loss, or if you perhaps don't have stop loss, well, now you're going to be like $50 back. Okay, if you have like this movement, yeah, I would say more like 70, something like that. And well, here it's kind of choppy. The moving average is curling downward. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I see a like. First like of the streams. Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. Um, well, it's like really choppy. That's what I'm getting here. Really, really choppy. I could enter a short trade. Like it's definitely short. Okay, so that's what I will try to tell you or to try to teach to you. Okay, so here you can really see it's going short. You can see retracement going below the average, the moving average, and like keeping it. Okay, so ending up and then breaking it with force. Breaks it with force and then just melts. Retracement and keeps melting. So you can see that's a downturn. Okay, but well, the things not only identifying the trend, but like flowing with it, and also trying to manage accordingly the risk, because at any point, perhaps right out here, you enter and price goes, hell, let's go up. So you don't really know, and this is a movement that I have been anticipating. I will be on the lookout for this moment to the VWAP, as I told you. Here, there's no volume at all. So if this high gets broken, this will flash to the upside. Okay, so yeah, no, it's not just putting an order here, buying stop, not just like that. Okay, but price would definitely rip through this kind of low volume. But well, as you can see here, there's no retracement, no opportunity to go get in. Okay, I'm really like here, for example, what I try to do is like going uh, short here. But well, these two, it was like this one I didn't really like. I wouldn't have taken it if I were perhaps alone or trying to really. Don't worry if I don't make a trade in a day. And these two were good. I really like them, but perhaps only one of them. Okay, so not making two trades in the same spot, but only one of them. So here, these two, I really like them. Okay, because like it feels that it was going up. These two also, but as you can see, they were in the same candle. That's what I don't like. But here they were like another candle went through and the feeling was already there. Here, that's not the case. It was the same candle. And the other one I didn't like. I really rushed the entry. I like the movement. Yeah, definitely. As you can see, I identify the upturn. Okay, so but the thing is not only to identify, but to get enter and and take advantage of the entry. Okay, here the same. I could have rushed them it down here, but well, the good entry was around here. Here you can see, for example, let's do like this kind of also what you have to when you draw these trend lines, they are just like trends. It's not like an unstoppable line that it can't cross. Okay, it's just like an area. So it's like price will try to go here. For example, this one here, you could argue that it was on the trend line. right? But it wasn't really touching it. But you could say, yeah, it's going to the trend line. This one here, perhaps it is on the trend line. It was just like going up and now going down, but perhaps not. Perhaps it's just breaking the trend line. Okay, here you can see trend line, moving average is starting to get horizontal, so you have to be careful here. It could do the same as here and now go up. If it does do this, take have an eye here. This is a ripped. Um, this movement is going to go really quick, really quick. It's not going to be probably like this kind of chop. It will probably be like doing some kind of shit like this. Multi-line. I'm just drawing a line for the sake of drawing it. Yeah, but kind of something like that. Okay, so it will be much steeper. That's why I'm anticipating. Okay, perhaps it won't even have a retracement, so it could be less. So let's see if I can. Yeah, like just going up without retracing, and this is even stronger. I would really like to get the retrace because I would like to enter a trade. Okay, but let's see. Let's see what I would like. Something like this would be optimal. So let's see. Another like. Thanks, all of you for the support. I see here the stream is quite good, right? Yeah, it's not like awesome quality. I would try to make it full HD or something like that for the next stream or whatever. But I see here that it's kind of good. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Okay. Here you can see another trend line. Like these things of, yeah, it's going up or no. You feel me? And also here you can see like it's not going to the same distance. So this is kind of bullish. Like not going all the way down. Okay, let's see. It can rips through. Okay, it is in fact going up. Okay, let's see. Something like that, perhaps. Okay. Okay, I really like it now, eh? So perhaps one last trade. Woo! Really bullish. Like if I enter here, it's kind of like the previous trades where I rushed it. Okay, so I don't like to enter here. I prefer to enter kind of here. Well, let's see if there is a retracement or if there's not. But if there's a retracement, I will definitely enter it. If something like this plays out, I would definitely enter. So something like that. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Price going down, pull back, pull back, pull back. Pull back. Okay, I think I'm going to participate long one last time here. So let's see. Yeah, give me the pullback here. Okay, it's really strong here. Really, really strong. Like you can see here, it's missing the. I'm going to. Here you have like the start of going down, and you can see that it didn't go like all the way here. Okay, like this retracement. So this is kind of ultra bullish. I would really like to enter kind of below here. That's the best pullbacks. But well, you can see this is quite developing the way I thought. You won't always like predict the future. It's not like not that that's not the objective. But as you can see, we were right out here when I draw um, the full movement. Okay, now let's see if we have the rip. Let's see, we have a pullback, like something here, or we're just ripping through. This will be nice to see it develop. Okay, so let's see if there's a pullback or there's just ripping through it. But I'm going to participate. I'm going to participate if I can. I'm going to do it here. Here you have the other one. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it is going. Okay, I'm going to participate long. Yeah. Let's see. I'm going to read room right around here. No more than that. Okay, so let's see how the price develops. Keep in mind that you could always, you have to manage risk, okay? You could lose, but manage risk accordingly. Okay, I'm going. Yeah, I like the movement. Okay, that's the retrace I told you about. That's a retrace, but hopefully retrace won't kill my trade. And if it does, okay, that's okay. I don't really mind. But well, let's see how price develops. I wouldn't like to be stopped out here and that's just going the way I believe it's going. But well, it could obviously do that. Okay. Okay. Just I got stopped out, unfortunately. But well, 60 bucks down, not big deal. But well, I'm just I'm kind of mad that price developed the way I thought it would. And well, look here. This is I don't like it. Okay, so that's why I got like the stop loss here. Stop loss here is because if it goes below here, I don't. I start not to like the uptrend. Okay, but well, you can see that these lines I like nailed it. Not the last one, and and that's kind of funny because it will happen lots of times. Eh, See, yes, like when you're in a supermarket or something like that, and you go to one line, and you always happen to be in a line that's slower, and you see to the line to your right and to your left, and they are going faster than the one you're in, and you're like, man, why am I always in a slower line? Well, here's the thing. You I got this like this retracement follow. I got this retracement, got it right. The pump got it right. The other retracement got it right. The other pump got it right. And there this one, that's the one I enter, I got it wrong. So here I got 5 movements and I was right in 4. I entered the one in which I was wrong. Okay? But you don't have to be like, yeah man, I'm always wrong. No, just be calm. Okay? So if you don't lose a ton of money, you will slowly and slowly and develop your skills. Okay, so today I lost 60 bucks. I didn't really care. Okay, and yesterday I won 150, and the day prior to that, I believe it was 200 and something or something like that. Win one with one mini. Okay, I got into 1 or 2 trades, not more than that. Today was 6 trades, lots of trades for me. But well, as you can see here, I got the movement right. I anticipated all the way back here. Draylon, I believe you were with me. When it broke here, I told you about the delta going lower. And with this kind of movement, little movement, I told you, I feel that we are going lower. And in fact, we went lots lower, okay? So, but always you could be right and wrong at the same time. And the important thing is to be right and to execute accordingly. Okay. Sorry again. I was watching the stream. 3 likes now. Yeah, nice. Draylon, awesome man. Well, here we can see not breaking down. We can see it's this is like a common going up and down pattern. I'm going to use I'm going to erase this one. Let's do another one. Here we can see like going up, going down, going up, going down, and now going up. This one is like I don't see like stopping it here, right? Because here we have the how to say it this low volume I told you about. Okay, so what I feel it's more going to happen is like if it breaks this zone, it will probably break this zone too. So kind of like this. That's my kind of like prediction. And around this area, it will probably have another pullback, and it's going to meet with the VWAP. That's what I feel it's going to happen. But well, I'm not going to trade anymore today. 60 bucks down today. Unfortunately, yeah, sure. I would obviously like to be to be green on the first stream of this channel. But well, here we are going to be transparent with you. What I what I would like to do is to kind of teach or hang out with you people, and well, answer your questions, for you to tell me your doubts, or just as today Draylon did. And well, I'm just a humble trader. I'm not going to be flashing you with no, I'm renting a Lamborghini and I'm showing you, yeah, you can be a millionaire. No, that's not what's about. Trading for me, it's like a passion. In this past 3 years, I have really come to like it quite a lot. And for me, it's just a part time, okay? Because I really like the stability of having like a normal job or whatever. Um, but like trading for me, it's kind of like half adrenaline and half like feeling that you can improve your money. Obviously, the big amount, the most will come through stocks, index, and all that on the long term, right? So I have a portfolio of like common, boring stocks, and well, yeah, I have Apple, I have um, Google, I have I don't know, Target, Coca Cola, whatever. That's yeah, boring stuff. I could obviously make some videos as I did in the past. If you after this stream you would like to check my YouTube, but don't be. There were videos like really previous videos. Okay, so I was less experienced, I would say. I don't know really if it was like 1 or 2 years ago. Well, let's see. I'm going to watch it here. Uh, Videos. Yeah, 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Okay, interesting, interesting. Yeah, well, I have a much worse microphone. Uh, my analysis is quite good, yeah, uh, but I have improved it over the years. Okay, so well, I feel that's all. Sorry, I have a question here. What's a good platform for future in the US? You know what? Well, this is the one I'm showing here. It's Tradeovate. Okay, so I'm going to put the link in the description. I'm not affiliated with them. I do not have a referral link or something like that, because I'm not a big influencer or anything of that sort. But this is the webpage where you register and all that. You don't have to, obviously. Uh, but well, if you, as you told me, if you want to start and all that, uh, well, you could. It's just in the you open the account. Uh, in less than a week, you have it set up for starting trading. Okay, or perhaps yeah, 1 week, 10 days, something like that. But well, you can open the account, register, set up your bank account connection and all that. It's not difficult. The support is quite good actually. You can talk in the live chat there. And well, as I told you, I don't know the background of everyone here, but Draylon told me he had like perhaps he could set aside $200, $500, something like that. What I would recommend is to start really small with only one micro. Okay, so do not rush it. Do not go insane with yeah. I'm going to make $500 each trade or something like that. Uh, but well, for me, it's just tr- learn, get a feel of the market. Perhaps you could also do some simulated trading. Okay, the account, this account also comes with a simulation. So well, you could enter some trade for just for the sake of it and get a feel of it. But well, I feel that's all for today. If you have any other question you'd like to ask, if not, we will probably just close the stream today and come back on Monday or something like that. So well, if you have any other question, feel free to ask it on the chat. If not, thank you for being here. It was really a pleasure, Draylon, for being able to hang out with you for this hour and a half. I do this almost every day, so for me it's no there's no problem in turning on the stream if you really like it. If I see that well the week the days and the weeks go through and more people join. I'm not here to well to, with the expectation to have 1,000 followers in 1 week. I know that's not real. But well, I quite like talking about it and expressing what I have inside, and well, just trying to teach you what I know. Okay, I'm not going to sell you anything right now, so don't feel obligated to. Well, yeah, I'm a good man and whatever. And then I will tell you, yeah, you have to buy this course, you have to open an account in this broker or whatever. You just can do whatever you would like. Here, I'm only I try to help you or whatever. But well, we will with the days following on the next week. I will probably be explaining to you some things. Perhaps on Monday. Yeah, on Monday let's do the following. Or on Tuesday. I will see if I have time on Monday. If not on Tuesday, I will join here like 40 half an hour before the market opens. Okay, so the markets open at I believe it's 9:30 Eastern time or something like that. I'm not in Eastern time, so I don't really know. Here where I live, it's 10:30 in the morning. So I will come here around 9:40, 9:50, something like that. Talk to you for a little bit before the market opens, and try to explain to you some things. For example, here, as you can see, we have a double top, like some basic trading stuff, so that you can well start for the first time, and for the ones that are starting out, to be more feel more like supported. Okay, well, so which no much further ado. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the 3 likes I got. And well, see you on Monday. Have a really nice weekend. And I hope we can make this channel grow and help more people. Okay? Bye bye. Take care all. And see you on Monday.